Trying to start a garden for your home? We have a few suggestions for beginners so they can get the most out of the experience. Make sure you have a goal in mind. Will you be creating a vegetable or flower garden? This will change how you take care of the plants and the preparation involved. Once you've settled on a space in your yard, clear the ground. Depending on the plants you've chosen, spread an appropriate amount of compost. Be sure to carefully read the instructions with their seeds, as they'll inform you the correct depth that they should be planted and the amount of daily watering they'll need. While watering, pour slowly through your plants, which can in turn be therapeutic for the gardener as well. If you keep at it, you should have a gorgeous addition to your home. For more inspiration and advice around the home, follow us on social media or visit us online.